Hey, what's up guys? So today we're taking a closer look at two amazing peripherals from Dareu. So we have the A950 Pro Magnesium Lightweight Gaming Mouse and the A104 Pro full-size keyboard. Both are engineered for peak performance and are perfect addition to any gaming setup. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, let's unbox these beauties. Let's start with the A950 Pro Magnesium Gaming Mouse. Inside the box, we are greeted with the A950 Pro mouse, a 4K receiver, a USB-C charging cable, a carrying pouch, non-slip mat, mouse feet pad, and a user manual. Now moving on to the A104 Pro keyboard. Inside you're greeted with the keyboard, a user manual, extra keycaps, a keycap puller, and a USB-C cable. Right, so going back to the A950 Pro, the design is really impressive. It's crafted with premium magnesium alloy, making it incredibly lightweight at just 54 to 55 grams. The finish is sleek and modern. It has an Oracle bone script on the scroll wheel, which is cool. You also have these holes and we can see the internals, and it actually feels great in the hand. It feels really premium. And on the other hand, we have the A104 Pro keyboard, which features a robust build with sleek aluminum frame. The keycaps are made from high-quality PBT material, ensuring durability and a pleasant typing experience. Let's talk about the Dareu A950 Pro mouse. This gaming mouse comes with a top-notch PAW3395 sensor and a Nordic 52833 chip, giving you up to 26,000 dpi for super precise movements. Perfect for competitive gaming because the click latency is really low, meaning no delays. You can also connect it in 3 different ways via USB, 2.4G, and Bluetooth, so it's really versatile. Plus, it's got an awesome 4K wireless polling rate, making it super responsive, so if you play CSGO or Valorant like me, then you will surely love this gaming mouse. Aside from that, I just love how smooth it glides on my desk or even my mousepad, and it's really responsive and it feels like I'm gaming on a wired gaming mouse with no delays, which is awesome. The battery on this mouse is impressive too. It charges quickly and lasts a long time, around 37 days on Bluetooth, 25 days on 2.4G 1kHz mode, and 6 days on 2.4G 4kHz mode. And aside from that, it features Scale GM 8.0 Black Mamba switch, which is built to last with an 80 million click lifespan, so even if you play 24/7, you don't have to worry. And of course, it's aesthetically pleasing to look at. It blends perfectly with my setup. Next up is the Dareu A104 Pro keyboard. This is a full-size keyboard. It's got a gasket mount for stability and silencer pad for quieter keystrokes. The Dareu Snow switch gives satisfying clicks with minimal travel and force, so fewer accidental presses. Typing feels premium, super soft, and sounds great. I love the overall typing experience on this keyboard, and here's how it sounds like. To be honest, everything feels premium and I love the overall design. It looks even better when combined with the Dareu A9 Pro Gaming mouse. The TFT display and knob add a modern touch, showing battery status, backlight modes, and even some cool GIFs. You can customize backlight colors and intensity, control your computer's volume, and I find it very convenient, especially when adjusting the volume. I can easily volume down or up using this knob. Plus, it's hot swap compatible, letting you easily swap out switches for a personalized feel. It also supports wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes. So I've been using both the Dareu A950 Pro and the A104 Pro for a week now, and I absolutely love their performance. This combination is perfect for both gaming and productivity. The Dareu A950 Pro and the A104 Pro are top-tier peripherals that offers exceptional performance and build quality. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, these devices are sure to elevate your gaming experience. The long battery life also makes working, studying, and gaming more convenient. So with all these features and specs, I highly recommend them. By the way, all products on their website are currently 30% off from December 15 to January 5. So if you're interested, be sure to check the link in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.